Clever Rabbit and the Wolves. Written by Donna Kim. Illustrated by Ella Howard. Clever Rabbit and the Wolves.
In the forest, there was a clever rabbit who liked to play outside and chase butterflies. One day, when resting on the green grass, he was surrounded by a family of hungry wolves. He begged the wolves to let him free, and he would dance to entertain them. The rabbit's dance was so exciting that the wolves joined him to spin around and lift their feet up and down. Soon, the wolves felt dizzy and fell over on the ground. Taking this chance, the rabbit ran away. The wolves were really ashamed of being fooled by a small rabbit.
Activity 1.
Choose your character. Nat, Dan, and Finn are in a race. Tap on the correct word to help your character win the race.
Rabbit. Wolf. Forest. Activity 2.
Why did Rabbit dance for the wolves? Because he liked dancing. Because he was tired of running. Because he was trying to find a way to escape. What did the wolves do when they saw Rabbit dance? They grabbed him by the feet. They joined him. They applauded. Why didn't the wolves catch Rabbit? Because they liked Rabbit. Because they were ashamed. Because they were dizzy and fell on the ground.
Activity 3.
The rabbit told the wolves he would dance to entertain them.
True.
The wolves joined the rabbit to dance.
True.
The wolves ran away.
False. Activity 4.
If you were Rabbit, could you think of another way to escape from the wolves?